A question I get all the time is, do I need to shield myself while using my pendulum? The answer is no. You don't need to shield yourself or protect yourself most times. There are some circumstances, however, where you may require shielding or energy clearing, either during or after pendulum work. But in general, with both pendulum dowsing and pendulum alchemy, it's not required. Let me explain. When you're doing pendulum work, assuming that you're not working with really low vibe stuff like black magic, dark entities, things like that, you're going to be fine if you're just doing normal pendulum. If, however, you're involved with things that are questionable or low vibe, which I don't recommend to begin with, you may have some problems. But if you're just doing normal things like answering questions, going about your day, doing healings for people, things like that, you don't need it. Now, if you are doing stuff with low vibe things in a high vibe way, like let's say you're clearing land, you're doing healings for people, or there are people in your life who are like energy vampires or things like that, or maybe you live in a place where there's black magic being done to you. That happens sometimes. Then you may need to protect and shield yourself while doing pendulum work, or just generally, even if you weren't doing pendulum work, you'd probably need it anyway. How do you approach that? Well, the best way to do it is to take your pendulum and clear your energy field using your pendulum. What this does is it builds up your energetic immunity. You get exposed to various energies during the course of your work or just during the course of your day, even when you're not doing pendulum. Then you can clear yourself in less than a minute using the techniques in my course on protection and shielding with pendulums, or also in my new book, Pendulum Alchemy, Energy Healing and Manifestation. You can clear your energy field in less than a minute, get all that stuff out of there very fast. And what this does is it builds up your energetic immunity and it makes you stronger energetically, and it requires you to clear yourself much less. Next, don't shield all the time. If you can shield with the pendulum, and in certain circumstances, I recommend you create a shield with your pendulum. And I explain how to do that in the protection course and in the new book. But by and large, you don't want to shield. And there's a reason for that, because it weakens your energetic immunity. If you're just constantly shielding yourself, it's like a person who puts hand sanitizer on every day. Eventually, they lose all of their natural resistance to bacteria, and they can get sick from just the weakest microbe can kill them or make them sick because they've lost all their immunity because they never get exposed to any germs. So it's the same thing. If you shield all the time, like a lot of energy professionals will tell you to do, it's going to weaken your energetic immunity and it's going to cause a lot of problems. Shielding should only be done on an as needed basis if you know you're going into a bad circumstance, or you know you're going to be working on some heavy stuff like some entities or spirits or somebody with really weird energies. Then shield for sure. But don't do it every time, and try to rely mostly on the energy clearing, because this will strengthen you and it will build you up so that you develop that immunity which you need. All right. I hope that helped. You can post questions in the discussion. Nice seeing you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.